Hey guys, it's Jessica and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make Japanese Sandos. They're fruit dessert sandwiches made with whipped cream and fruit. They're so good and perfect for picnics. The ingredients you'll need are sugar, heavy cream, milk bread. You can use any bread that you like. I have some grapes, raspberries, mandarin oranges, kiwi, mango, and strawberries. You'll need a bowl to make your whipped cream, mixer, and some saran wrap. Also optional is fruit cutters so we can make fun shapes. If you don't have these, it's okay. Once it's stiff, we are good to go. Now we're going to cut a fruit. I'm going to start by peeling the mandarin orange. I like to use a potato peeler. It's a lot easier. Just don't have it on me right now. But if you have one, use a potato peeler. For the kiwi, we're gonna cut the 4 sides, so you'll have an oval. The kiwi we're using for the leaves for our flowers. And then the rest of this, we're going to cut this to like a little rectangle. Like this. Set that aside. Now we're going to cut our mango. Now for our mango, I'm gonna peel the mango just like the kiwi. Again, if you have a potato peeler, use that. It's a lot easier and safer. You can use any fruit that you want. You don't have to use these certain fruits. Now we have our mango. We're going to slice it as close to the middle seed. So if you put your knife down, you can kind of feel where the seed is. You want to get as much mango out. And here you can see the seed. And we're going to use this part. You can cut the other side. Careful, it's slippery. Okay, with the mangoes, I'm gonna use one of our shapes. I'm using a flower. You want to use the thickest part of the mango so we can see the flour in the sandwich when we cut it in half. And any leftovers you can just eat later. Now for our strawberries, I'm gonna cut the leaf part off the top. And then we're going to make a W, so 2 V cuts, like this. And it's going to look like a tulip flower. Again, same thing, we're gonna make a W, 2 V cuts. And have a little tulip. Next, it's time to assemble our sandwich. We're going to use saran wrap, or if you have parchment paper works too. We're gonna lay the saran wrap down. Add our bread. First, I laid down the whipped cream. We're laying down a layer of kiwi, and then whipped cream, another layer of kiwi, more whipped cream, and then our last layer of kiwi. And at the end, we're going to add more whipped cream. We're going to use our layer of bread and kind of fill in the gaps. Use our saran wrap to tightly close our sandwich. We're gonna add this to the fridge for about 30 minutes so the whipped cream can settle and we can cut it open. Next, I'm gonna make the strawberry sandwich. We're adding whipped cream again. We're gonna add the strawberries. You're gonna make it go on its side like this. Our leaves. Add a little bit of whipped cream. The reason why we add it to the side is when we cut it open, you can see the flour. Kiwi. More whipped cream. And another kiwi. Add the top of the bread. We're going to close it again with our saran wrap or parchment paper. And into the fridge. our last sandwich, I'm gonna use our mango, raspberries, and grapes. Adding the whipped cream. Here. Again, we're adding it on its side so when we cut it open, we can still see its shape. I'm gonna add some raspberries and some grapes. I'm gonna do another layer of fruit. And whipped cream. Oops, man down. Okay, our bread, let's wrap it up. And end the fridge. I just got it out of the fridge and it's ready to go. We're gonna open up the wrap and I'm gonna cut it in half. This one is our mandarin orange. And the big reveal. Ta-da! For this sandwich, I'm gonna cut the edges off to show you that we can make it look prettier. And then right down the middle again. Ta-da! Try it. I don't know how to bite this. It's perfect for spring on a sunny day. It's light, fruity, yummy. Try it. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Sully Jessica on all my other social channels. And if you want more recipes, let me know and comment what you want me to make next. I will see you guys later. Bye.